My name is Bruce Jefferies. I'm one of the co-founders of Dresden Optics. We launched basically a whole new system of doing eyewear in Australia. We found glasses to be too expensive, too fragile, and really inconvenient. Our whole business model is to get the cost of glasses down so low that everybody can afford them. And that's everybody not just in Australia, but in developing countries around the world. And a key way that we think we can achieve that is through automation. So it's basically systematizing the processes that are at the moment are very labour intensive. And so by networking the equipment and the platform, we think there's a lot of redundant processes that we can pull out and actually improve the quality and also the cost of delivering that service or product. Without the R&D and the automation, we wouldn't have the competitive advantage to continue to manufacture in Australia. So this is critical to our future.
So my name is Alma Cart. I'm head of R&D and production, and I've been with Dresden for around 1.5 years. So what R&D means for us is that we want to evolve. We're trying to do that on a daily basis. So we're always looking for new materials, potentially scrap that piles up somewhere, because another industry's scrap is another industry's material essentially. So the base material we're using is the acrylamide. It's a nylon 12 base, and it has just absolutely perfect structural stability, has great memory. You can literally do with it whatever you want, and it's not gonna crack or anything. It always will come back. So to diversify our products, we've been looking at different other materials we can use. We've been looking at milk bottle tops, which we collected from local coffee shops in Newtown, but also Young Henry beer keg lids actually, which work really well because they're all made out of high density polyethylene.
Right at the start, we really wanted to base it on cloud-based systems and the latest technologies available to make the entire thing dynamic and responsive to the market. So what's critical about us is we don't just manufacture, but we retail. So we have a direct interface to our customers. And so Industry 4.0 was really key in how we saw we could serve customers fast and with exactly what they needed. And we've been really fortunate to have great partnerships both on the design side with industrial design and then through to the manufacturing side with basically not just suppliers but also co-manufacturing in Sydney.
Partnering up with really knowledgeable and experienced partners is key because there's so many issues really on a daily basis, and us being new to all of this, we couldn't have done it without them.
The collaboration is key to exactly what we've done, because by developing a product service system, we've actually had to bring in specialities from tool design, from materials, from optometry, from a range of different areas to make the entire thing successful. So without that collaboration, we really don't look at the business as having everything internally within it, but as a network of businesses.